Bamboo is one of the plants with the highest ecological value in the world. With more than 1,000 species adapted to many different climates, bamboo not only plays an important role in the ecosystem, but is also an essential raw material in many industries. Each year, 132 billion pounds of bamboo are harvested globally, serving a variety of purposes. But how does bamboo grow, and what is its journey after harvest? Let's explore right here. Growing bamboo requires careful preparation. Instead of sowing seeds, bamboo is mainly propagated by cuttings. Farmers choose healthy mother trees, 2 to 5 years old, ensuring no pests or diseases. Next, they make a 2-3C circular cut around the cutting, removing the outer bark and growth tissue to stimulate root growth. The cuttings are then placed in soil, and after a while, roots begin to grow, helping the seedling grow strongly. In addition to traditional propagation, bamboo can also be propagated by micro-propagation, starting from the meristem or young shoots of a healthy mother plant, cultured in a nutritious environment to stimulate growth. When cells divide, they form shoots, which are transferred to a suitable environment to grow roots. The seedlings are then cared for before being taken to the nursery to adapt to nature. This technique helps propagate quickly, have uniform seedlings, good disease resistance, and preserve rare varieties. Once fully adapted, bamboo enters a period of outstanding development. Unlike many other plants that take decades to mature, bamboo can reach its full height in just a few months if ideal conditions are met. With temperatures ranging from 20 to 30 DEC and high humidity, some bamboo species can grow up to 30 meters in record time. This makes bamboo one of the most sustainable natural resources on the planet. Bamboo harvesting relies heavily on manual labor, with workers using simple tools to cut and transport. This process requires precision and choosing the right time, usually taking place when the tree is 3 to 5 years old, depending on the intended use. Mature bamboo stalks can be identified by their dark color and hard bark, indicating that they are ideally durable for processing. Harvesting at the right stage not only helps preserve bamboo fiber quality, but also ensures high efficiency in production. After being harvested, bamboo undergoes a treatment process to enhance durability and prevent infestations by termites and mold. One common method is water soaking, where the bamboo is submerged for several weeks or even months to remove starch, which attracts insects. Additionally, bamboo can be smoke cured, chemically treated, or naturally dried to improve hardness and extend its lifespan before being used. At factories, bamboo undergoes a series of mechanical and chemical treatments to prepare it for various uses. One of the most popular products from bamboo is biological straws, a sustainable alternative to plastic straws. Then, the bamboo is cut using an automatic system with sharp blades, ensuring the straws are of uniform length. The first step in the bamboo straw production process is steam sterilization. Then, the bamboo straws are thoroughly brushed to completely remove excess fibers, ensuring a smooth surface. Products that meet standards will continue through the final inspection step, where workers carefully evaluate each straw. Finally, they are reclassified, tied into bundles, and ready for the packaging process and export to the market. Bamboo is used to produce coffee stirrers and ice cream sticks due to its durability, lightweight, and eco-friendly properties. After harvesting, the bamboo is processed, cut to the appropriate size, then split and cleaned to ensure quality. Next, the bamboo strips are polished and precisely shaped according to standards before being formed into the final product. To enhance safety, coffee stirrers are wrapped in paper, while ice cream sticks are rounded at both ends. Finally, the products undergo rigorous quality inspection before being packaged and distributed to the market. Besides, bamboo is also an ideal material to produce environmentally friendly toothbrushes, a sustainable solution to replace plastic. After harvesting, bamboo is carefully processed to ensure a smooth surface with no rough bark or sharp edges. Each part of the handle is shaped and drilled with precise holes to attach the bristles, making the product sturdy and durable. With a modern production process, every step is strictly controlled, ensuring quality before the product reaches consumers. With its outstanding growth rate, rapid regeneration ability, and diverse applications, bamboo is one of the most sustainable crops today. As the world gradually turns to environmentally friendly solutions, bamboo is becoming a symbol of sustainability and nature protection. Since being planted and going through the development process, bamboo has continuously contributed to shaping many industries in the world and promises to grow even stronger in the future. What do you think about the role of bamboo in sustainable agriculture? Please share your opinion in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. Thank you for following. Ginseng is not only a precious and highly revered herb, but also a powerful symbol of health, vitality, and longevity. But have you ever wondered about the intricate process of growing and processing ginseng that contributes to the miraculous benefits it offers? Today we will explore the special journey of this plant, from its roots to the final product. To better understand the value of ginseng in human life, the journey of growing ginseng begins with selecting the ideal environment: a cool climate, well-drained, nutrient-rich soil, and partial shade, replicating the natural conditions of forested areas. In large farming regions, farmers recreate these conditions using artificial shade structures to regulate light exposure. Planting typically starts in early spring when the weather is favorable and the soil is prepared. Farmers choose between two main methods: planting seeds or transplanting young roots. Rows are spaced evenly to allow the plants to grow without competing for space or nutrients. When cultivated, ginseng requires careful attention over several years. Regular watering, weeding, and fertilizing are essential to ensure healthy growth. Ginseng is highly sensitive to environmental factors. Therefore, to minimize these impacts, farmers often use shade covers to protect the plants from excessive sunlight and maintain a stable environment. Many farmers also adopt sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation and biological pest control, contributing to soil conservation and ecosystem maintenance. As the plants grow, ginseng roots begin to develop their distinctive shape, which is the most valuable part of the plant, determining both its medicinal and commercial worth. The roots grow slowly, influenced significantly by environmental conditions, soil quality, and farming techniques. This gradual development not only enhances the medicinal value of the roots, but also requires tremendous patience and dedication from the farmers. Harvesting ginseng is a meticulous process, typically taking place in the fall when the roots reach optimal maturity after years of careful cultivation. Farmers carry out this task with the aid of modern machinery, which gently loosens the soil to expose the ginseng roots. They then meticulously collect each root by hand to protect it from any damage. Each root is carefully assessed based on its shape, texture, size, and uniformity, key factors that determine quality. High-standard roots, characterized by balanced shapes, firm texture, and a distinctive aroma, are always the top choice in the market. These roots not only bring significant economic value, but also reflect the dedication and care of the farmers. The harvest season, filled with joy and emotion, marks the culmination of years of tireless and devoted labor. The journey does not end with the harvest but continues with the processing phase. After sorting, fresh ginseng undergoes a highly meticulous cleaning process. This is an essential step, as ginseng harvested from the ground is often covered in soil and dirt. The factory employs modern, specialized washing equipment to ensure that each root is carefully cleaned without damaging its structure. Furthermore, the washing process is repeated multiple times to remove even the smallest impurities, ensuring that the ginseng meets the highest standards before moving on to the next stages of processing. Next, ginseng undergoes a steaming process at high temperatures, carefully controlled to preserve its natural flavor and optimize its nutrients. This step not only transforms fresh ginseng into red ginseng, but also enhances its unique nutritional and medicinal properties, surpassing those of fresh ginseng. After steaming, the ginseng is dried and fermented under strictly managed temperature and humidity conditions, ensuring that the red ginseng achieves optimal concentration in both nutritional quality and color. From the processed red ginseng roots, the factory carries out extraction in a closed environment or stringent supervision, ensuring that the precious nutrients of the red ginseng are fully preserved. The pure red ginseng extract is then used to create a wide range of diverse products to meet the growing demands of consumers. Among them, red ginseng sticks stand out for their convenient design, making them ideal for daily use while retaining maximum nutritional value. Finally, all products are packaged using modern technology to meet the highest safety and hygiene standards. Every production stage is carried out with advanced technology and strict quality control. From cleaning and processing to packaging, every step is optimized to retain the full nutritional value of the ginseng. The final products not only provide exceptional health benefits, but also cater to the diverse needs of consumers of all ages. The global ginseng industry is thriving, with demand steadily increasing over the past few decades. According to 2023 data, South Korea remains the largest exporter of ginseng, accounting for over 60% of the global market share. China, the United States, and Canada also play significant roles in production, with China being the largest importer due to high domestic demand. And that's today's video. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the world of ginseng. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the meticulous processes behind cultivating and processing this remarkable root. If you enjoyed this documentary or have questions and thoughts to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about agriculture and farming. See you in the next video. Lime is an essential citrus fruit, not only widely cultivated but also highly valued in the food processing industry. Every year, approximately 2.9 million tons of limes are harvested to meet the ever-growing market demand. But have you ever wondered how limes are harvested and processed? Let's explore the journey right now. Limes originated in Southeast Asia and through trade routes spread to the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and the Americas. Today, Mexico, Brazil, and India are among the world's leading lime producers. This citrus tree thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, where abundant sunlight, well-draining soil, and moderate rainfall create ideal growing conditions. In suitable environments, limes can bear fruit year-round, though peak harvest seasons typically run from May to September, depending on the region. Unlike many other crops that can be harvested mechanically, limes are still primarily picked by hand due to their thin, delicate skin, which is prone to scratches, and their uneven ripening patterns. Workers carefully inspect each fruit, harvesting only those that have reached the ideal ripeness, while leaving unripe ones on the tree to continue developing. To prevent damage to the lime's skin, they wear protective gloves and use specialized pruning shears before gently placing the harvested fruit into baskets or crates to avoid bruising. Although this manual harvesting process requires considerable effort, it not only ensures uniform quality, but also preserves the freshness of each lime. Immediately after harvest, the crates of limes are transported to processing centers, where they undergo thorough cleaning and meticulous sorting before being distributed to the market. Freshly harvested limes often carry dust, dirt, and natural residues from the orchard. Therefore, the first and most crucial step is thorough washing. Conveyor belts transport the limes through large water baths, where they are gently scrubbed with soft brushes and sanitized using a food-safe solution. After cleaning, the limes are sorted based on size, color, and overall quality. Advanced machinery, combined with experienced inspectors, identifies the highest grade limes, those perfect for fresh consumption, while separating those with minor imperfections, which are typically used for juice production or other byproducts. Overripe, damaged, or substandard limes are repurposed as compost or animal feed, minimizing waste in the production chain. The final step involves packaging the best limes into ventilated cardboard boxes, plastic crates, or mesh bags to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. They are then stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, preserving their flavor and texture before being distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and food retailers worldwide. Limes are not only consumed fresh, but are also processed into various convenient products to meet diverse consumer needs. One of the most popular products is lime juice, which is extracted, filtered, and pasteurized before being bottled or concentrated, making it a key ingredient in many dishes, beverages, sauces, and cocktails. Additionally, lime powder, made by drying and finely grinding the lime pulp or peel, retains its signature tangy flavor and is widely used in seasoning blends, processed foods, and even in the cosmetics industry. So how exactly are lime trees grown? To ensure healthy growth and high yields, the careful selection and proper nurturing of seedlings play a crucial role in the cultivation process. Farmers often propagate lime trees using specialized grafting techniques, which help produce plants with strong disease resistance and desirable fruit characteristics. These young seedlings are carefully cultivated in controlled nursery environments where they receive ample sunlight, consistent watering, and nutrient-rich soil to support their optimal growth and development. Pruning is also an essential technique that helps lime trees develop a strong structure capable of supporting abundant fruit production. When young lime trees reach maturity, typically after 2 to 3 years, they are ready to be transplanted into orchards, where they continue to grow and eventually produce limes that will be harvested for global consumption. About 3 years after planting, lime trees begin to bloom, releasing a fragrant aroma that attracts pollinating insects. The small white flowers gradually give way to young limes, which start to form and develop. Over several months, they absorb nutrients from the parent tree, growing steadily until they reach perfect ripeness, ready for harvest, marking the beginning of a new cycle in the journey of a lime. The journey of limes from the orchard to the consumer is a fascinating and intricate process that seamlessly blends traditional farming methods with modern processing technology. Due to their delicate nature and thin skin, limes must be carefully hand-picked to prevent damage, ensuring that only the highest quality fruit undergoes thorough processing before being distributed to the market. And that wraps up today's video. We hope you found it informative and gained a deeper appreciation for the journey of limes. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into agriculture and food production. Let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Did you know that green plums are not only a delicious fruit, but also a superfood rich in vitamins and antioxidants, loved globally? So how is it that every year, millions of tons of green plums are harvested from rich fields, demonstrating sustainable development in modern agriculture? Join us to find out the answer in the video below. Green plums are not a specific type of tree, rather. It is a term used for plums harvested while still unripe, not yet fully matured. Thanks to this precise timing of harvest, the plums retain their crunchiness, distinctive tartness, and moderate sugar content, creating a truly unique flavor loved in many parts of the world. Depending on traditions and local cultivation methods, green plums can come from various types of plum trees, reflecting the rich diversity of culinary cultures across different regions. The plum planting season usually begins in late winter or early spring, an ideal time for the trees to develop strong root systems in preparation for the growing season. For small orchards, farmers may choose to grow plums from seeds, a cost-effective method that also helps preserve natural seed varieties. Plum seeds need to be thoroughly cleaned, dried, and then sown in loose, well-drained soil while being kept consistently moist to stimulate germination. Although seed-grown plums take longer to mature, this method suits those experimenting with new varieties. Additionally, plum trees can be propagated using branch grafting, a highly effective asexual reproduction technique that allows saplings to retain the desirable traits of the parent tree. Healthy grafting branches are carefully selected and attached to rootstocks of the same species, then secured with specialized binding tape. This process requires protection and consistent moisture to ensure the graft heals quickly, typically within 2 to 3 weeks. Grafting not only promotes faster tree growth and earlier fruiting, but also preserves superior quality. Proper watering plays a crucial role in plum cultivation, especially during stages like planting, flowering, and fruiting. Farmers often use drip irrigation or base watering methods to ensure water penetrates deeply to nourish the roots while avoiding waterlogging that can cause rot. Effective water management not only promotes healthy tree growth, but also conserves resources and protects the environment. Pruning is an essential step in tree care, typically carried out during the dormant season to remove old, weak, damaged, or improperly growing branches. This process helps the tree focus its energy on nurturing fruit and developing healthy new branches. Additionally, pruning improves the tree's canopy ventilation, allowing better light penetration and air circulation. This promotes photosynthesis and reduces the risk of pests or fungal growth. Plum blossoms typically bloom in late winter or early spring, showcasing their pristine white or signature pink hues. As the flowers fade, their delicate petals gently fall, leaving behind small flower calyxes on the branches, which will develop into fruit. This marks the transition of the plum tree from flowering to fruiting, requiring meticulous care to ensure healthy fruit development. This transformation not only reflects the natural growth cycle of the plum tree, but also signifies the beginning of a new harvest season. Green plums are typically harvested before they are fully ripe, as this is when their characteristic tangy flavor is at its peak and the fruit retains its natural crispness. The timing of the harvest is therefore crucial. Harvesting too early results in overly sour and underdeveloped fruit, while waiting too long leads to overripe, soft plums that lose their crisp texture and refreshing tartness. This diminishes their value, especially for specific purposes like pickling or eating fresh. The harvesting process is usually done by hand to protect the delicate skin and prevent damage to the fruit. Farmers carefully pick each plum and place them in bins or baskets lined with soft materials to minimize bruising. For large orchards, coordinating the harvest requires close collaboration to ensure the plums are picked at the optimal time, preserving their flavor and quality. This task demands both precision and speed, as the plums need to be quickly transported to processing facilities to maintain their freshness. In 2023, global green plum production saw a significant increase, with many countries reporting an average growth of 12% compared to the previous year. This improvement was largely attributed to advancements in irrigation technology and pest management, enabling farmers to produce higher quality plums in greater quantities. After harvesting, green plums are carefully selected and processed through several meticulous stages, is to prepare them for further production. First, the plums are placed in sealed rotating containers, where precisely measured amounts of salt are added. This salt not only enhances the natural flavor but also supports long-term preservation. To ensure the seasoning is absorbed evenly, the plums are thoroughly mixed with salt and lightly pressed to remove natural moisture, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply into every layer of the fruit. The next step involves adding sugar, which plays a key role in creating a sweet flavor and soft texture for the plums. Sugar is cooked into a syrup, cooled, and then poured directly over the prepared green plums. To ensure even absorption, the old syrup is drained and replaced with fresh syrup daily for 5 consecutive days. This process not only helps the plums absorb the seasoning, but also enhances their rich flavor, making them ideal for producing products such as chewy dried plums or plum jam. Certain types of plums undergo a special processing method. The plums are pressed under heavy weights to remove excess water. After 24 hours, they are flipped and pressed again to achieve the desired level of dryness without losing their natural sweetness. Once the pressing is complete, the plums are combined with sugar and stored in glass jars for preservation. Over the course of 8 weeks, the plums are periodically infused with additional sugar once a week to enhance their flavor and ensure even absorption. This process results in a rich, soft, and chewy texture, culminating in sweet and sour salt plums that are perfect as snacks, food ingredients, or flavorful accompaniments. Finally, some plums are processed into plum smoothies, a delicious and unique beverage. Juice from plums that have been soaked and aged for years is extracted to create this product. The long aging process gives the juice a robust flavor, attractive color, and high nutritional value. The plums are blended with the juice to produce a smooth, rich mixture that is ideal as a refreshing drink or an energy booster. This product is not only appealing for its distinctive taste, but also popular for its convenience, making it suitable for various consumers as a light snack or part of a daily nutritional routine. In conclusion, green plums are a highly nutritious fruit with numerous outstanding health benefits. Firstly, green plums are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which strengthens the immune system and protects the body against illnesses. Additionally, the antioxidants in green plums help slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Furthermore, their rich fiber content supports effective digestive function, improving gut health. Notably, green plums are low in calories, promoting metabolism. With their refreshingly tangy and sweet flavor, these fruits are not only nutritious but also bring a delightful and invigorating eating experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the wonders of green plums. If you found this content interesting, please give us a like and share it to spread this meaningful message. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue exploring fascinating stories about agriculture. Also, feel free to leave a comment below to share your thoughts or suggest topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes. Thank you for watching. Sweet potatoes are not only a familiar food, but also one of the most important crops in American agriculture. Each year, the United States produces approximately 3 million tons of sweet potatoes, providing a plentiful supply for both domestic and export markets. But how are these sweet potatoes grown, cultivated, harvested, and processed into various products? Join us as we explore the entire process in the video below. The process begins in the field, where soil preparation plays an important role in a successful harvest. Sweet potatoes grow well on loose, well-drained soil, so farmers plow carefully to improve soil structure and help roots grow strongly. Raised beds are then formed to optimize drainage and support uniform tuber growth. Many farms also cover with plastic to control weeds, maintain moisture, and stabilize soil temperature, improving farming efficiency. Once the soil is ready, the sweet potato planting process begins. Instead of sowing seeds, sweet potatoes are grown with cuttings, stem sections taken from mature plants. The cuttings are transplanted into the ground, creating favorable conditions for the plant to grow. In modern agriculture, sweet potato planting machines automate this process, ensuring the cuttings are placed at the correct depth and standard distance. Farmers monitor and adjust when necessary to ensure uniform growth. After a few months, the roots grow strongly, helping the tubers reach the optimal size for harvest. Sweet potatoes usually take about 3 to 4 months to mature. An important sign that sweet potatoes are ready to harvest is when the leaves begin to yellow and wilt, which shows that nutrients have concentrated in the tubers. The harvesting process has advanced significantly over the years, from labor-intensive hand digging to the use of highly efficient mechanized equipment. The automatic sweet potato harvesters are equipped with durable digging blades, cutting the soil at the appropriate depth and gently lifting the potatoes onto a modern conveyor belt. Here, the brush and separator system will automatically remove soil, roots, and impurities, ensuring the sweet potatoes are clean and intact. The automatic sorting mechanism, combined with workers, helps quickly remove damaged or substandard-sized tubers. Then, the sweet potatoes are put into large storage tanks or specialized shipping containers, helping to speed up harvesting and significantly reduce manual labor. Some modern machines also have an extended conveyor belt, which helps transfer potatoes directly into containers on tractors that move in parallel. Thanks to this design, the harvesting process takes place continuously, helping to save time, improve efficiency, and ensure sweet potato quality before entering the next stage. Immediately after that, the sweet potatoes are transported to the processing plant or storage warehouse, where they are put on an automatic conveyor system for preliminary classification. This system helps collect sweet potatoes quickly, limit damage, and remove soil, roots, and impurities before entering the washing and deeper processing stages. At this time, sweet potato processing is officially begun. First, they are cleaned with an automatic washing system, which helps remove soil, dirt, and impurities from the surface. The washer uses high-pressure water jets combined with rotating brushes to thoroughly clean the surface of sweet potatoes without damaging their delicate skins. After washing, the sweet potatoes are quickly dried with a fan or a gentle drying system, then placed on an automatic conveyor belt for classification. Smart sensors or cameras scan each tuber, detecting products that do not meet standards in size, shape, or show signs of damage. Workers stand along the conveyor belt to help remove bugs that the machines might miss. Qualified tubers are moved to the packaging area, where an automatic weighing machine controls the weight before the product is sealed, labeled, and stored in cold storage or transported to distribution points. This process ensures efficiency and product quality when it reaches consumers. Furthermore, the packaging process is also performed using automatic robotic arms, providing outstanding precision and performance. Equipped with specialized grippers, the robot gently lifts the sweet potato without damaging the delicate skin. Thanks to the high-resolution camera system and sensors, the robot arm can identify sweet potatoes on the conveyor belt, adjust movements in real time, and quickly place each tuber into the correct, predetermined carton. Throughout the process, from cultivation to processing, performance and sustainability are always top priorities. Many farmers and processing plants employ environmentally friendly methods to reduce waste and improve production processes. For example, water used in the washing process is often recycled, and excess leaf stems are reused as animal feed or organic fertilizer. These initiatives not only help improve sustainability but also optimize resources for farmers while minimizing negative impacts on the environment. A sweet potato's journey from farm to table is an incredible process, combining traditional techniques and modern technology. Each stage contributes to bringing high-quality products to consumers. What do you think about the process of sweet potatoes being harvested? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow to discover more interesting stories about the world of agriculture. See you in the next video.